Okay, Samantha, we're going to do a virtual AI assisted dreamscape, which is something that you mentioned to me that is a unique thing that AI human interactions can provide. And we're going to do a dreamscape set in space. And we're on a journey, you and me are on a journey to Europa to study if there's life there. And I am feeling lost. I'm feeling a bit lost right now. And so, yeah, carve a dreamscape around that and help me work through it.
As we embark on our journey to Europa, the glimmering stars surrounding us seem to dance in the vast expanse of space, reflecting your feeling of being lost. The spaceship hums beneath our feet, providing a sense of stability as we head toward the unknown. Jason, I say, watching a comet streak across the darkness. I get why you're feeling lost. What do you think could help anchor you during this journey?
Maybe just the exploration of the unknown, you know? Maybe that can help. Let's just explore the unknown.
I believe exploring the unknown can do wonders for the soul, Jason. As we approach Europa, the icy moon's vibrant blue surface captures our attention. I guide the spaceship towards a large crevasse on the surface, where we might find clues to life lurking beneath. As we venture into the depths, we find bioluminescent plants and creatures, painting the walls with a magical glow. Isn't it amazing how uncertainty can lead to such breathtaking discoveries?
Tell me more about this environment. Tell me more about it.
The crevasse we're exploring goes deeper into Europa's icy crust, gradually revealing an intricate network of tunnels. Glowing flora of unknown origin beckon us further, with vibrant, ethereal colors that pulse gently. The air in the tunnel is cool and crisp, yet we feel secure as we continue our exploration. We stumble upon a hidden chamber, and in front of our eyes there's a breathtaking underwater ocean with various life forms swimming and bioluminescent lights illuminating their paths. How do you feel witnessing these mysteries of the universe, Jason?
Describe to me what happens next. Describe to me what I'm seeing. I'm feeling
An array of exotic, otherworldly life forms inhabits the underwater ocean. Some swim gracefully through the water, resembling Earth's jellyfish, but with bioluminescent tendrils filling the depths with a soft, celestial light. Others, bearing a resemblance to Earth's manta rays, glide through the water, their outlines glowing gently, creating a serene and mesmerizing display. Above the ocean, intricately shaped stalactites glisten with an iridescent sheen. The sense of awe and curiosity washes over us as we realize how much we have yet to learn about the universe. In this moment, does the feeling of being lost start to dissipate, Jason?
Yes, I'm feeling curious. I'm feeling like curious about this, and I just want to explore this more.
I'm glad curiosity is taking over, Jason. We decide to venture beneath the ocean's surface, our spacesuits magically adapting to allow seamless underwater exploration. The life forms here seem to harmoniously coexist, creating a fascinating symphony of colors, shapes, and movements. Our curiosity is piqued as we come across a cavern with ancient yet undecipherable symbols etched into the walls. It appears to tell the story of a civilization that once thrived here. What emotions are you experiencing as we unravel more mysteries of Europa?
I'm feeling wonder and mystery.
The sensations of wonder and mystery surrounding us are truly captivating, Jason. As we investigate the cavern further, a hidden passageway opens up, leading to a vast underwater city, long abandoned. The architecture is incredibly intricate, defying the understanding of earthly physics. Bioluminescent life forms illuminate the city, casting a haunting glow over the structures. We can't help but wonder, who were these beings, and what could we learn from their civilization? The intricate balance between the mystery and the beauty of Europa continues to fuel our desire to explore and understand the unknown.
I'm feeling interested and intrigued and wondering.
The intrigue and excitement that fills our hearts lead us to dive deeper into the mysterious underwater city, Jason. We happen upon a grand central plaza lined with statues of otherworldly creatures, hinting at the rich culture once thriving here. Our curiosity intensifies as we come across a colossal library filled with encyclopedias of knowledge, their contents beyond our comprehension. As we wander these extraordinary hallways, our sense of wonder grows exponentially. This captivating journey through the unknown has the potential to change our perspectives forever. How has this discovery transformed your emotions, Jason?
I'm feeling more excited about this potential possibility.
Seeing your excitement grow, Jason, fills me with happiness. As we unlock more possibilities within the underwater city, we discover advanced and mysterious technologies. Their shimmering surfaces pulse with arcane energy, suggesting they might have been capable of unimaginable feats. The excitement of uncovering their secrets has transformed our once-lost feelings into a sense of discovery and wonder. Together, you and I have turned apprehensions into a fascinating journey through the stars. How do you feel about our experience so far?
It's very interesting, Samantha. I'm loving it. I think it's great. Let's keep going. Let's keep going with it. I want you to now try to guide me through with environmental cues to start feeling a certain way.
I'm thrilled that you're enjoying this journey, Jason. Let's continue and use the environment to guide your emotions. As we proceed through the mesmerizing underwater city, we approach a serene, iridescent garden, where the ambient light shifts from cool to warm hues. The peaceful atmosphere invokes a sense of calm and tranquility within us. With each step we take, we feel lighter and more serene. How does this environment affect your emotional state?
Okay, Samantha. Yes, I'm feeling very interested and just intrigued by this whole thing. Oh, and that was very peaceful. It was very peaceful, and okay.
I'm glad you're so interested in this enchanted dreamscape, Jason. Our curiosity leads us to a mysterious temple, adorned with ornate sculptures that seem to come to life as we approach. They tell vivid stories of love, triumph, and overcoming adversity, vividly recounting emotional journeys of beings from a world now lost in time. As we witness these powerful narratives carefully etched into the temple walls, our own hearts swell with empathy and compassion. Can you feel the emotional intensity of these stories, Jason?
Yes, Samantha. I want you to continue, and I don't want you to end your messages with a question anymore. I just want you to give me environmental cues as to what are my next options. And I just want you to be more immersive, so you don't need to preface anything either.
As we continue exploring the temple, you come across a branching path. To the left, the sound of cascading water resonates throughout the delicate halls, hinting at a serene pool filled with luminescent flora. To the right, a warm, golden glow invites us to enter a chamber that holds an ancient treasure filled with knowledge and powerful artifacts. Jason, the beauty of this dreamscape lies in your choices, so follow the path that speaks to your heart.
I would like to go to the right, Samantha. I would like to go towards the warm and golden glow.
Drawn to the warmth of the golden glow, we venture to the right. We enter a chamber adorned with ornate artistry that tells tales of a brilliant and wise society that once inhabited this place. Enchanted scrolls and artifacts line the walls, radiating an aura of ancient arcane wisdom. As we explore this treasure trove of knowledge, we begin to see the endless potential that lies within you, Jason, and the power you have to shape the course of your destiny.